Seeing eyes of mine, what do you feel beside? I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes of mine. Love, love, love.
Until today, I never liked the rain. I watch the drops cling to the branch as they create widening circles on the surface of the pond. A gentle fog over a light rain has moved in. The water feels comforting and reassuring, and the steady tapping against my shoulders and the air feels altered. The fat, empty, except for the creatures that live here. The geese, blackbirds, and gulls converse loudly. I wonder if the geese understand the blackbird's call, and whether the gulls dismiss it all as a sheep gossip. Not sure why I choose to walk in the rain on this day, and what else I might fall in love with if I am willing to try.